How to import data into iCON Trade software. Open your project and select a job from the list. Press the Import button. Browse through the different sources and select your files. Selected files appear at the bottom of the screen. It is possible to select multiple files from multiple locations. Remove the file from the list of the selected files to exclude it from import. Press Next. Depending on your file format, iCON Trades will offer you different import settings. Take DXF and DWG, for example. iCON Trades will automatically recognize the drawing units from your file. You are able to define how you want to import your blocks, and if you want to import data in 3D or 2D. Add a file name suffix to each layer imported from the file to easily recognize its layer. Create new single points on each main position of all imported linear and circular objects, for example start, end point, corner or center point of a circle. This is not recommended for large drawings. Clean up the drawings by removing unreferenced blocks or empty layers. On the right side of the screen, you can select which layer you want to import. Confirm the settings and wait for the files to be imported. Press OK. Start with Measure or Layout to see the imported file. You can always import more than one file, for example CSV and text files. Select the field separator and decimal separator which is used in your import file. A small preview is shown on the screen to help you decide which parameters to choose. Tap on a column name to change the column order and define which columns to ignore. Additionally, you can import the data from these files as control, which means every single point will be imported as a control point. If you have a header in your file that you wish to skip, simply toggle the button Skip Rows and define how many rows you want to skip. Press Import. You can edit the layers from design points, but not from the imported control points. When importing a PDF file, iCON Trades offers you the possibility to import a certain file with a predefined scale. However, it's also possible to import with unknown scale and change it later with the use of the Scale Drawing tool. On the right side of the screen, you can select which layer you want to import. By pressing View button, you can open your file with a PDF viewer and make any last-minute checks before importing it. The PDF file is automatically converted into a vector drawing. Press Import. If the PDF is without scale, the software will ask you to scale it before starting the measurements. You can scale it by entering a value or by measuring a line. Select a line from the drawing and enter its real length. Accept the line length. Make sure that imported data is aligned. To find the Scale Drawing tool, open the Tools menu and go to the Edit tab. Import of IFC files is only possible with a BIM license. When importing such file format, you can choose which classes you wish to import. You can switch to 3D view.